Hello, welcome to our classes. I'm Dr. KK Mishra. This video tutorial is on principles of management. This is part 9. Now come to the questions. Question 1. Task is the technique in which each worker is supervised by 8 supervisors. A. Functional foremanship. B. Unity of action. C. Centralization. D. Simplification of work. Correct option is A. Functional foremanship. 2. Dash principle of management puts emphasis on judicious application of penalties by the management. A. Esprit de corps. B. Order. C. Division of work. D. Discipline. Correct option is D. Discipline. 3. Dash principle of management states that there should be a place for everything and everything should be in its place. A. Equity. B. Discipline. C. Order. D. Esprit de corps. Correct option is C. Order. 4. Dash means one plan, one boss. A. Unity of direction. B. Unity of command. C. Centralization. D. Gang plank. Correct option is A. Unity of direction. 5. Dash involves harmony and team spirit among employees. A. Discipline. B. Esprit de corps. C. Order. D. Standardization. Correct option is B. Esprit de corps. 6. Which principle of general management advocates that employee turnover should be minimized to maintain organizational efficiency? A. Stability of personnel. B. Remuneration of employees. C. Equity. D. DeCops. Esprit de corps. Correct option is A. Stability of personnel. 7. According to Henry Fayol, this principle of general management is violated. Authority is undermined. Discipline is in jeopardy. Order disturbed and stability threatened. Identify the discipline principle. Correct option is B. Discipline. 8. According to this principle of general management, an organization should safeguard against abuse of managerial power, but at the same time, a manager should have the necessary authority to carry out his responsibility. Name the principle. Correct option is B. Authority and responsibility. 9. The technique of differential piece rate system was developed by Taylor in order to, here correct option is D. All that discriminate between efficient and inefficient worker. B. Reward the efficient and motivate the inefficient for better performance. 10. Which of the following is an objective of time study? A. To determine the number of workers to be employed. B. To formulate suitable incentive scheme. Or D. Calculate the labor cost. Correct option is D. All. Principles of management are not. Correct option is B. Absolute. 12. Principles of management provide. Correct option is B. General guidelines. 13. Management principles differ from pure science principles because management principles are correct option is B. Situation. 14. Principles of management are not significant because these result in D. Optimum utilization of resources. Which of the 15. Which of the following is not a principle of scientific management? Correct option is A. Functional foremanship. 16. Management should find one best way to perform a task. Correct option is B. Method study. In fact, some of these questions are repeated from the previous video tutorial. 17. Unity of command is related to A. Superiors and subordinates. 18. Gang plank is related to, correct option is A. Communication. 19. Management principles are flexible whereas dash principles are rigid. A. Pure science. 20. Centralization denotes concentration of authority at the top level. So correct option is 21. Dash is the technique in which each worker is supervised by 8 supervisors. This is repeated in itself. So correct option is A. Functional foremanship. 22. Dash principle management puts emphasis on judicious application of penalties by the management. Correct option is D. Discipline. 23. Dash principle of management states that there should be a place for everything and everything should be in its place. Correct option is C. Order. 24. Dash means one plan, one boss, that is unity of direction. 25. Involves harmony and team spirit among employees. So correct option is B. Esprit de corps. 26. Which principle general management advocates that employee turnover should be minimized to maintain organizational efficiency? So correct option is stability of personnel. 27. According to Henry Fayol, here this is again a repeated one. So correct option is B. Discipline. 28. This According to this principle, general management and organization should safeguard against abuse of managerial power, but at the same time, managers should have the necessary authority to carry out his responsibility. So here it is related to authority and responsibility. Correct option is B. 29. Technique of differential piece rate system was developed by Taylor in order to all of the above. So correct option is D. Management is a creative and diverse process. So here it is correct option is A, continuous. This was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.